My instructor scanned a document and added it to our learning management system. When I open the document in docReader, it says, "Could not find the text to read." What do I do? In the upper toolbar of docReader, there is the Image to Text tool. It has an icon of a picture linked to a sheet of paper. Click on the Image to Text tool. This tool has an optical character recognition, OCR, performed on the document. Click Listen.
HelpfulProfessor.com. 13 examples of communication.
Now let's look at another example that presents itself differently. When we open the document on the screen with docReader, there is a message in the middle of the screen that says, "There is no readable text on this page, but it does contain images." Would you like to try to convert any text in the image to readable text? Yes. No. Click Yes. Answering yes has the OCR process performed on the document. Highlight the title. And then click Listen.
ReadSpeaker Speak Up Guide.
Now you know how to handle scanned documents so that you can have them read to you.